This is what I found so far in my plastic welding. The plastic welder has this neat little rubber thing that you can set it on. It also has a what's called a potentiometer, which I think raises the heat. What I found is I used all three of them, and this seemed to work the best. This green one right in here. So I tried it up here and I couldn't get the piece to stay and hold correctly. So what I did was I used a little bit of GB Weld Quick just to hold it in place so I can tack it. Then what I'll do is I'll heat this up, and very, very carefully on the edges here, I'm gonna, if nothing blows up, I'm gonna try and tack some of this green vinyl in here, and if it works, I'm gonna take the vinyl and go all the way down here, all bulletproof it right here. Then I'll go around to the other side and I'll just do it wherever I can, and I can save this panel. The deal is that probably this bullet front end, or I call it a booby front end, is probably $85–90, but they don't make it anymore. So if I can figure out how this welder works, and you have to put on enough of the welding rod here to where you melt the plastic but you don't burn it. That's where I'm having a problem, because I'm not a welder. Electronics are not really my strong point. Welding is not at all. I mean, I'd love to learn how to weld. I have a welder next door that's a nuclear welder. I mean, the guy can weld, he could weld a rainbow together in the middle of a blizzard, upside down, juggling 3 balls and singing the German national anthem. Get away from there. I don't want you pissing on those. Yeah, they just love these things. Anyway, I'm going to let this dry for a minute, and then heat this up again and retry. Hopefully, if it works, then you and I have just learned that plastic welding is a thing to do. And it comes with one of these little bags of welding rods for plastic, PVC, and vinyl. And I ordered 2 or 3 more bags along with it. So, but I still can't get it to work right. I got to get the heat temperature right, and I'm going to give it a try right now. Alright, we continue with Operation DIO plastic welding. What are you looking at?